You are going to love the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, backup camera, security system, lane departure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.